central area. Now, back in the days we were filming westerns in the 1920s, 30s, and 40s, each one of these 6 streets was dressed to depict an entire guest hits and winner of 3 Academy Awards. Hey, there's my good friend George out for a day of fishing. How you doing there, George, buddy? I haven't seen you in a while. George, what, guys? Oh, my goodness, George, take a look behind you. There is a large fin headed right for you. George, it's going to the water. Please get out of there, George. Oh, George, you got a... Whoa, he took the bait. Wait a second, he's also taking the pier. Of course, starred Richard Dreyfuss, Robert Shaw, and Roy Scheider. As I was saying before, Roy Scheider and Steven Spielberg are teaming up once again for a little less cloudy and nighttime. The view that we have right now would be the same view that E.T. had when he came to our planet in the motion picture E.T. the Extraterrestrial. Now, E.T. was released back in 1982 and went on to become the biggest box office hit in Hollywood history. A record inside, you can soar, weave, twist and blend toward Doc Brown's time-traveling wonder car as you race headlong to the dawn of time and the age of the dinosaurs. I know you'll all want to hop aboard a Starbound bike and head back to E.T.'s home planet at the...
We're only filming half of the movie. We already have the shots of Captain Kirk, Mr. Spock, and the rest of the crew. We'll be editing those shots in between the shots we take of our guest actors. That way, we'll come up with a complete motion picture. And I also mentioned we're filming this like it's done in the movies. One thing they do in the movies is called shooting out of sequence. It simply means that the order you watch a movie in is not the order they film it in. They film as many scenes as they can on one set, and then they move on to the next set. Saves a lot of time and a lot of money. Right now, we're moving down below decks to check into the engineering department. So before they get started, how about a nice warm welcome for the brave group of engineers? All right, now listen up. The situation here is very tense. We've been attacked by the Klingons. I need to see tension. No, don't start. I just need to see your best tense look. Show me tension. Okay, that's not bad. Now, how about sweat? Can you sweat? No. What's your name? Thomas? Don't worry about a thing. Makeup, sweat, please. This is Hollywood, Thomas. We're going to make it look like you've been working hard all day long. Don't you worry about a thing. We've got everything under control. There you go. That's real sweat, too. We collect it from Conan. You two right here have an important job. You need to supply the ship with power by putting the lithium rods up into the receptacles. Down here, you guys need to regain control of the ship by pushing the buttons on the computer in the right order. Now, one of the engineers is braver than the rest. One of these engineers has volunteered to step into the dangerous, life-threatening radiation chamber.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
What's her name?
Kayla.
Hayla. Hayla, you did volunteer for this job, didn't you?
No.
Thank you. Go with Larry. We appreciate your bravery, Hayla. There's nothing to worry about because Larry will take care of you. All right, here's the catch. You guys need to complete your jobs before the radon ionizer gauge hits 0, or it's meltdown for Hayla. Right now, I'd like to introduce everybody to Mr. Total Meltdown. May we see the meltdown, please? And you know what? She doesn't know what's up there. Here we go. In your positions, get ready on the buttons, ready on the rods. Roll cameras done, and action! Get the rods in the holes. Push those buttons over there. Gotta work fast now. It's meltdown for Hayla. You gotta work real fast. There goes 8, 7. Everybody count with me. 6. Everybody. 5. There you go. 4. Turn around and panic. 3, 2, 1. Meltdown. Nice work, Hayla. Was that fun? Yeah? Do you know what's more fun than one bucket? Tell her, everybody! And have a nice hand for the brave group of engineers. You know, I think we've all heard Captain Kirk.
Do not fail! Nice suit, CNR! Oh, Wolfie, take a bag. Dracula, folks, the original Batman. Now, if we're gonna rock, I need you to say my name 3 times. What's my name? Louder! One more time!
Thanks, buddy. You bet.